Why can't I get 4G? Have you got 4G?
Yeah, of course I have. I'm watching the show.
Well, I can't get anything.
You know what you need?
What?
You need one of these.
What's one of them?
It's a little 4G router.
Right.
It's the way to go, mate.
Well, tell me more.
Well, you're on a site, out in the open. You've got 4G. You've got 4G router there. Connect it up. Use it through your Wi-Fi system. You've got loads of companies do them. EE, Vodafone, they all do these little routers.
Right.
Ideal. I have it in the van. Brilliant. But what you can do is you can upgrade that.
How much is that then?
These, you can get these with a part of a price plan from EE, Vodafone and all them. But then you can buy an upgraded system like this one.
Right.
And then you'll need one of these. And that's the omnidirectional booster, which will boost that signal that you'd normally get from your 4G.
So is it like the booster for your television?
Yeah, like a TV aerial booster, similar thing, but it's for your 4G. And that fits to your roof.
Yep.
Yeah. And then that'll come into the van. Got a couple of wires there that goes onto a little unit like this.
Right.
Right, and you put 12 volt supply to it. You've got your little router there, clips on the front, connects up, power supply for it from your 12 volt, and then you've got boosted 4G in the van. It's a great bit of kit. Can't believe you haven't got one.
And how much is that one?
Well, they vary. You can buy them for a self-install kit for about 300 quid.
Right.
And then you've obviously got to get yourself a SIM card. So if you
That's
can get
part of a package then, isn't it, with the phone
then you'll go to your phone company, whether it be EE, Vodafone, O2, whoever, and get yourself a pay-as-you-go SIM. You can get some of these ones now, unlimited data for about 20 quid a month.
Right.
And then you can stream all sorts. You can, YouTube, Netflix, everything in the van.
So just a quick one on when you're fitting the booster one. Obviously, you're coming in like an aerial, are you?
Yeah. Just drill a small hole, big enough for that to go through. You've got that on the bottom. You've got a 3M pad on the bottom. It would be advisable to put some sealant around it as well. Pull that through. Just screw it up. You haven't got to raunge it up. Just screw it up nicely so it's sealed. That'll sit on the roof. Obviously, you've got to position it so that those cables will reach your little booster pack.
Right.
And then, obviously, you've got to get a 12 volt supply to that as well. So you get your 12 volt supply to it. That clips on the front. Your aerial lead goes in the top. The wires from there go into your little router. Charging unit plugs in as well. Okay, so you've got all that in the van. But then, when you want to go out, you just take that off and take it with you.
Let me have a look at that.
I'll tell you what, I'll sell you that one.
Hey, it works as well.
I know it works. Where are you going? I want to watch a show.
Yes, Mom. Nice and easy.